All right, guys, what's going on? Shopify store owners, this video is for you. I want to break down the 3 key components that allow my clients to basically be able to scale with predictability. Okay, what 3 things do you need in place to have a high converting store? The first piece is your offer. Okay, your offer has to be exciting. Your offer has to be something that is unique. Like, its product has to be different from what people are originally used to seeing. It can't be something that's easy to get at a local store that they can easily just go get on Amazon. It's got to be something that pulls in so much curiosity that they're like, okay, that's dope. Like, there's got to be certain features about it, certain social proof. That gives me, that drives me to the second thing, which is compelling copy, okay? Compelling copy that sells it persuasively, okay? That talks about the product, has some type of story, hammers home the benefits, and why each benefit is unique. I've worked with many companies before, and when you're able to give yourself like exclusivity to your niche, you're able to sell more. Like, if you're selling a blender, don't just talk about like, oh, all right, it's like this fast of a blade. Like, no one's gonna be able to calculate that, okay? It's a faster blade or something. No, like, does have a certain feature that like cuts the food a certain way, that allows you to retain more nutrients. Like, what is this unique mechanism that makes this thing different? And then the third component is your ads, okay? You need ads that have tons of social proof, flash reviews, have people in the camera that are talking about it, show the product, the benefits, it in action, okay? Those things should be in your ad. And then as far as like the copy, you either can tell a story about how this product benefited somebody, and like that person's prior standing before using it is a certain like situation, okay? And then obviously, sometimes I'll just have like a review, like word for word review with the person's name, verified customer, and then like shop now with a pointing emoji to the link where they can go to. Don't use bit.ly links because that looks really sketchy in today's world. Like, bit.lys just don't do well in copy. Use the full link. I don't care how big it is. It's more transparent for you to put a big link instead of giving this like small bit.ly that just looks sketchy, and it might scare people. Like, they don't know where they're going. When you can show that domain beforehand, you're gonna get more unique link clicks if people read the copy plus the button below. So hope that helps you guys out. Those 3 key components that I look for in any good offer before I start working with a client. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and peace.